Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Igama lami nguSanengo kaMajola. uMajola umchunu ungqulunga ulembethe undima unyanda yemkhonto uphakade kagugi kuyoguga abafokazana. Ngize la guys ngoba ngifuna advice yenu. Mangiqala channel le, it was all about the poems because I don't know ukuthi ngibize ngepoet or in, but ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyabhala, so mase ngibhalile ngiyawafunda and ngiwashare. So when I started this YouTube channel, it was all about poems, and along the way ngashintsha content to entertainment, and lokho kwenza kwaba difficult for people ababekade besubscribe to this channel for poems ukuthi bawathole, cause YouTube like i-content yami now it's entertainment. So whenever ngifaka something in entertainment i-reach abantu abaningi than mangabe ngifaka poems. So I was planning ukuthi guys angazi ukuthi uthini umbono wenu ukuthi benganjani, like ngicanga ukuthi nganjani ukuthi angase ngivule enye channel that will focus kuma poems. Yeah, la sizokhuluma khona ngama poems ekuzoba lula ukuthi bawathola abantu abafuna ukuwathola. Yeah guys, I don't know ukuthi uthini umbono wenu kuleyo nto leyo, but I'm thinking ukuthi maybe I should open a new YouTube channel ezobe ifocuse kuma poems and stories, you know. Ziningi izinto esingaxoxa ngazo, and this platform ayingivumeli kahle to share izinto engathanda ukuthi ngishare nani, umuzwa engiba nawo mangabe ngibhala, because you don't just take a pen and the paper and write, but you need to feel something. You need to have that feeling of writing bese uyabhala. So I would share a lot about that mangabe sengivulile leyo channel, but please comment below and ningitshela ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi is it a good idea, because I know it's very difficult ukuthi thola ama subscribers. It's very difficult ukuqala i-channel entsha, umsebenzi nayo i-channel umsebenzi eyodwa mase mabili kuwumsebenzi omkhulu. But ngicela ukuthi ni comment enzansi if ukuthi wokade subscribe to this channel and usekhona. Please comment below and let me know ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi kuwumqondo omuhle ukuthi ngiqale enye channel yama poems la ngizokhuluma khona ama poems, la ngishare khona ama poems, or ngiqhubeke ngiwashare lana. But I feel ukuthi I have compromised ama subscribers oqala, like my first subscribers, they are compromised and they are deprived i-right yap yokuthi like they've subscribed for this, now ngifake enye into manje engahlangene nabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abaningi sebaze bahamba. So please comment below and share ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi it's a good idea ukuthi ngiqale enye channel or what. But yeah, I was thinking guys, ukuthi maybe it's time. I don't know how long it will take, but ngicabanga ukuthi yeah kuwumqondo, yeah angazi kahle, but I'm thinking of doing it. Please comment below and let me know what you think. To my subscribers, guys, thank you so much. Ngaze ngicabanga ukuthi singaze sibe nama subscribers awu 60,000 and more, but kwenzekile and I'm grateful. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, support yenu iyamangalisa. YouTube ushintshe kakhulu impilo yami, ushintshile nje ngendlela engicabanga ngayo ngendlela engenza ngakhona izinto. I've learned a lot of izinto guys through this YouTube journey, and if ukuthi you are here you are a small YouTuber, please comment below and I will definitely support and I will subscribe, because ngiyazi ukuthi ngizima kanjani ukuthola ama subscribers. And I want to tell you ukuthi don't give up, keep on pushing. Lento yenzayo, keep on pushing. Izosebenza. Nami I've started on 0 subscriber, 1 subscriber until 1,000 subscribers. I was monetized, I was demonetized, but yeah, I'm not a big YouTuber because abantu abangazi, but I'm trying my best. Yeah. So guys, yeah, please let me know what you think on the comment section. I love you so much. Bye.